Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can connect WhatsApp from your phone to your PC in web. So let's get started. Open up any browser that you like. You can open Opera as well, or any browser that you wanna open in your PC or laptop. You can simply open it up. I choose Chrome, so it's I prefer you to use Chrome. It's literally very fast to browse and use. So let's get started. You have to do is search over here WhatsApp web and then enter, and then you will see over here on the top first website is official website of WhatsApp web. You have to do is simply click on this. When you click on this, you will come in this page. As you can see over here, this QR code, you have to do is open up your phone and go to your WhatsApp, and there you will find link your device. Okay, so you have to do is click on link your device and then click on link new device, and you have to do is scan this QR code on your phone, and then it's gonna be take some time to log in your WhatsApp on your web. Once you done this, your WhatsApp will be logged in. So let me show you how you can check it out. So here you can see on your phone link device, click on this and then scan this. As you can see, once I scan, and it's gonna be like connecting. As you can see over here, loading your chats on your browser. So once you do that, you will see this, your chats is on your web of your WhatsApp. So as you can see, you can simply use it from here. You can simply type messages or something like that you want to type over here, you can as well do that. So that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.